Hi guys, this is me Ayush and welcome back to the YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush.
Subscribe the YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush and press the bell icon to get further notifications for the latest updates of the videos first.
The comeback is always stronger than the setback. Yes, these wordings are very true because I have been back after a long period of time with another video. The reason was that I was so busy and I was unable to post the videos, but hence I promised to you all that I'll be more active in posting the videos. So guys, today's video is gonna be quite so special, as in today's video I'll be telling you that how can you recycle waste plastic spoons into a decorative and a beautiful lotus flower. So this is something how I have created a lotus flower by using some waste plastic spoon, and this is only I'm gonna show you throughout my video.
So let's take a quick view to all the materials needed to make this lotus flower.
So guys, first we'll be taking a CD, hot glue gun. You can use Fevicol, but I'll suggest using hot glue gun, few plastic spoons, a piece of cardboard, a pair of scissors, last but not the least a black marker.
So this is to tell you that we are about to start.
So guys, now I'm beginning by taking one plastic spoon, and now with the help of the marker I'm gonna mark it out the length I need to keep it of the plastic spoon. So now with the help of my scissor I'm gonna cut this out. So following the same process I'm gonna cut the remaining spoons. So here you can see how it will look like. So now I'm gonna take my CD, I'm gonna take the piece of a cardboard. So placing the CD on the top of my cardboard, I'm just gonna outline it with the help of the marker. And then after outlining, I'll be cutting it with the help of my scissor. So here you can see I've drawn even the circle at the center to notify the center of the cardboard. So now with the help of my hot glue gun, what first I'm gonna do is that I'll be taking 4 plastic spoons first, and I'm gonna paste the 4 of them very closely as to make the center. So guys, this is the way how you need to paste all the 4 spoons together to make the center look more close. So now on the screen I have shared you the picture. This is the way how you need to apply the glue on the spoons. The black lines you can see is the example that where you need to apply the glue. So I'm taking the another spoon and applying the Fevicol at the bottom of that, and I'll making it get stick to the cardboard. So doing the same process on the rest of the spoons, I'm gonna paste them out completely on the surface of my cardboard. So follow the same process as I'm doing here. Here while pasting the spoons, you need to remember one thing, that these spoons are the petals of the lotus, and whenever you have seen any flower or any lotus, you might have noticed that the petals that are in the center are in a standing position, but the petals that are at the ends seems to be lying. I mean to say it seems to be bending. So this is the way you need to paste the petals. At the center you need to paste the spoons little bit stiff, but at the when you will move to the end, you need to make the petals little bit more bended. So here you can see this is the only thing that I'm doing. So you need to pay the attention to the process I'm doing. So guys, at the top of the screen you can see I have shared my Insta ID where you can just follow me and ask me any of the queries related to the videos. So guys, here I've pasted all my petals, and this is the only thing that I was trying to tell you, that the petals at the center should be in a standing position. They should be stiff, but the petals that should be at the end should be little bit bended. So guys, here is the final look of our flower. It looks so beautiful, and it can be used as a decorative item also in your home. So guys, this is for today. If you like the video, then do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for the latest updates of the videos, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and with your families, and share your feelings about this video in the comment section. So guys, I know that it is a very high time where you need to take so much of the precautions, and you need to take so much of the care of yourself as well as of your families. Hence, I'll pray to God that you all will stay fine and stay safe. Till then, bye bye guys, and